Here's 3 long-term fixes to consider when renovating your home. These are more complex in nature, but consider them when renovating your home. Replace the sewer line both inside and out of your home. Doing this while renovating is going to be the most cost-effective time to do it. With excavators and plumbers already working on the site, you can have this done concurrently with other work happening on your project. If you do this before or after your renovation, it can be very disruptive to your finished space. You have to do more prep or rework in the finished spaces. Timing this during construction will find its place to fit within the project schedule and avoid costly additional work. Structural damage can often be identified prior to embarking on a home renovation. Sometimes we open walls and find less visible structural damage, but it's important to scan your foundations and above grade walls for cracks, bowing, and settlement. If you see these potential issues, it's always best to call a professional for an assessment, but capturing these repairs while underway on your renovation will ultimately improve the longevity of your home. You've made a large investment in your home and your renovation project. You'll want that protected for many years. You also sleep with peace of mind, knowing that your home is safe and sound. Lastly, waterproof your basements or correct potential water issues inside the home. If you have a wet or moist basement, waterproofing the walls and adding a French drain and sump pump will pump that water out of your living space quickly. Your basement will be dry and you won't worry about mold growing behind walls or damaged lumber. Moving this water away from the home will also strengthen your foundation. But don't forget to keep the sump pumps plugged in.